Na Pidgin Tori Global be dis, where foreign Tori dey drop for your ear with correct Naija pidgin. If e dey happen for the world, we go run am here the way you sabi am. Make we enter today gist. Gaza pipo don cry out say the small aid wey enter recently no even scratch surface. One displaced papa from South Gaza write give reporters say the help wey come be like spit inside river. E no reach at all. For central Gaza, one baker talk say the flour wey dem get fit finish in 2 days if better help no land. About 130 aid lorries don pass enter Gaza as Israel is small of the blockade wey don hold for 11 weeks. But despite that, Palestinian health people say 29 people don die this week because of hunger. Israel still dey claim say no be food shortage dey. Na hunger plus international wahala dey miss for Gaza right now. Still on the Gaza matter, over 900 people wey dey film industry don gather sign one open letter wey dey condemn the wahala wey dey happen for Gaza. They call am genocide. Dem still talk say the movie people no talk well about the matter. Big people like Mark Ruffalo, Richard Gere and Susan Sarandon dey for the list. This petition start before Cannes Film Festival and by May 13, around 380 people don sign, including Rafens wey star for Slinder's list. The whole thing na because Fatima Hassana, one young Palestinian photojournalist, die last month for Israeli air raid. Fatem get documentary wey dem show for Cannes. Dem talk say as artists, dem no fit sit down look while plenty people dey die for Gaza. This news hit their community hard. UN Office of the High Commissioner for Human Rights (OHCHR) don talk say at least 629 Palestinians don die for Gaza within 1 week. Dem say 558 out of the people wey die na inside their houses and tents wey dem run go hide. Among the victims, at least 148 na women and children. OHCHR talk say the kind plenty bombings wey hit shelter areas, especially as Gaza infrastructure don already scatter, dey make dem seriously worry say no be only military target Israel dey aim. Hamas don hail the joint statement wey 80 countries release where dem agree say Gaza dey go through the worst humanitarian crisis since Israel begin attack from October 2023. Hamas talk for one statement for Telegram say the position show say the world dey reject wetin dem call genocide and ethnic cleansing by Israel. Dem still talk say as the 80 countries don talk their mind, e mean say dem suppose put strong pressure to help Gaza people stop starvation and break the wicked blockade where they on ground. World Health Organization (WHO) don raise alarm say at least 94% of all the hospitals for Gaza don either damage or destroy. Dem say out of 36 hospitals where dey Gaza, na only 19 still dey function and even dem sef no dey work fully. Inside 1 week, 4 major hospitals don shut down because of attack, evacuation order and wahala wey dey increase. For northern Gaza, WHO say healthcare don almost vanish. The few hospitals wey remain for South Gaza dey overcrowded and fit shut down anytime. WHO beg dem make dem stop the fight sharp sharp. Talk say hospital no suppose turn battlefield. Hospitals no be war zone and dem no be target. Na so dem write for X. The Gaza matter never stay finish. Israeli Prime Minister Benjamin Netanyahu don throw heavy shade give UK Prime Minister Keir Starmer plus France and Canada leaders. He say dem dey back Hamas instead of Israel and na wrong side of humanity dem stand. This drag come shortly after the Washington shooting wey kill Israeli embassy workers. Netanyahu vex say the way UK, France and Canada take condemn Israel recent attack for Gaza dey show say dem want make Hamas continue dey power. Dem even talk say Israel response too much and Gaza humanitarian wahala don pass level. UK Prime Minister don condemn the Washington attack too. E talk say anti-Semitism na evil wey we must wipe comot. But e still talk say the small aid wey Israel dey send Gaza no reach at all and UK don pause straight talk with dem. Na real gbas for international Tori corner. Anyway, make we enter US. Shreya Mishra Reddy, wey dey do executive leadership program for Harvard, don shock her family say she fit no graduate this July. The matter start as Trump government block Harvard to enroll international students, say the school no dey obey law. Shreya na one of over 6,800 foreign students wey dey Harvard, over 27% of the school population. Na plenty money dem dey bring into the school and over 700 na Indians like her. Now everybody dey hang. Harvard don call the Trump move unlawful and dem dey prepare legal matter for them. But for now, students wey wan enter, the ones wey dey halfway or even wey wan graduate no sabi wetin go happen next, especially as their job plans dey tied to student visa. The ones wey dey US already go need transfer go another school if dem wan still stay legally. Harvard don talk say dem no go abandon their foreign students wey come from over 140 countries, but the wahala never end. The Trump government don dey crack down on schools wey protest against Israel war and dem freeze Harvard $3 billion grant join. Wetin remain now na court case and prayers as students still dey hope say Harvard go help dem find solution. For another side, one Amazon tribe wey dem call Marubo don carry New York Times (NYT) go court say the newspaper lie against dem for one story wey talk say dem no sabi handle internet and say their youth dey addicted to porn. For the $180 million lawsuit, the tribe talk say the New York Times report make dem look like mumu wey internet don scatter. Dem say the story talk say their boys dey watch violent video games and porn and even dey behave aggressive sexually. New York Times say dem no talk say anybody na porn addict, but the tribe no gree. After plenty backlash, New York Times later drop another story wey talk say no, the remote Amazon tribe no dey addicted to porn no, but the tribe say e too late. Damage don already happen. Dem still talk say TMZ show video of how dem take share Starlink, come make am look like say na dem bring porn come spoil community. For North Korea, new satellite pictures don show as one North Korean warship don scatter reach for Shipyard accident wey happen for front of Kim Jong-un himself. For the photos, the warship sidon one kind for side, covered with blue tarpaulin, and part of the ship don even reach land. The accident happen Thursday for smuggling and Kim call am criminal act. Government don start full investigation. The shipyard manager, Hong Ki-ho, don enter wahala as law enforcement don summon am. Kim vex say na carelessness and unscientific work cause the problem and he promise say anybody wey mess up go face punishment for plenary meeting next month. Normally, North Korea no dey talk about local issues like this, but this one too big to hide. The accident happen just some weeks after dem launch another 5,000-ton destroyer wey Kim hail as big Navy achievement. The last one for today, US don talk say Sudan government use chemical weapon last year for their civil war against Rapid Support Forces (RSF), and because of that, they don drop new sanctions for them. From June 6, US go restrict export go Sudan and put limit on wetin Sudan fit borrow financially, according to State Department spokesperson Tammy Bruce. But Sudan no gree. The person wey dey talk for government call the US claim baseless and say no evidence to show say dem use chemical weapons. US no talk exactly which chemical weapons dem find, but one report for beginning of this year talk say na chlorine gas dem use 2 times for remote places. Na the tori be that for today, and na Rebecca Goffey dey report for Pidgin Tori Global. Una do well.